semi-truck is truly something to behold. Powerful giants, these vehicles are often marvels in and of themselves. With new and innovative trucks being introduced year after year, it's easy to forget that the first semi was introduced all the way back in the late 1800s. Today, you might look at a beautiful, shiny rig and assume it's brand new. Yet, some of the most breathtaking trucks are actually classics, originating from almost every decade over the last century. One such truck is Cherry Pie. In 1973, Mike Orton ordered a brand new Kenworth 900A. The truck worked hard for well over 30 years, and after her final job, Mike parked his trusty cab in his front yard, proudly displaying her for all to see. But over the next 8 years, that once industrious day cab became a lonely lawn ornament left to mold and rust, forgotten in the weeds. It seemed that her story had come to an end, the same type of fate met by many old trucks. Luckily, there exists a group of passionate people devoted to the restoration of trucks just like Cherry Pie. This truck restoration phenomenon has developed into a full-blown industry made up of incredible people whose visions and efforts repair and literally bring back to life these workhorses of the past. Their dedication has made it possible for these vehicles to be memorialized, remembered, and showcased in all their former glory and beyond. Kate Whiting is an enthusiastic member of this esteemed group, and in 2016 became a beacon of hope for that old Kenworth lying in the grass.
I was driving a back road right here in my small town, Chautauqua, and I seen one of those trucks I like. I pulled right into the guy's yard right then and there. Once I got a chance to converse a little bit more with the owner and convince him that I'm gonna take really good care of his truck. Sell the truck to me, give me a chance. I'd really love to restore this truck. At that point, I didn't know a lot about restoration. I'd never done it. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a body person. Just wanted to give her a little love and just enjoy it. Started taking some of the decals off and things that he had from his company and just started buffing and playing with that hood. And it was the most incredible red that started popping out. My older son walks by and thinks he's being, a smart aleck about it, but he's like, looks like Cherry Pie. Kind of became a nickname for the truck and then ultimately stuck. This restoration was over 3 years. There was such a huge learning curve, so that in itself was frustrating. There's things, you do over again and over again, and it would take someone who knows what they're doing seconds, and I'm out here hours. Majority of this truck was all put together with volunteer labor. A lot of amazing family and friends that helped put this truck together.
As with all endeavors in the restoration industry, the entire project was one that stemmed straight from the heart.
To me, it's about the story. That's the reason for the restoration. It's preserving this heritage. I get to keep passing that on to the next generation.
All of Kate's hard work has really paid off. In the years since its restoration, Cherry Pie has won many awards.
She's worked really hard. I figured she deserves a little love and TLC right now.
The restoration community is ever growing, as is the number of trucks they continue to breathe life back into. The time and energy they give to these vehicles is admired and celebrated all over the nation. We are fortunate to be able to witness the fruits of their labor and experience the revival of the memorable trucks of our past. The Howes family proudly welcomes Cherry Pie into the Howes Hall of Fame. A fantastic representation of restored trucks everywhere, she is a classic spectacle destined to shine for years to come.